Apple, the world's most valuable company, recently made a stunning announcement. The tech giant pledged to invest over $500 billion in the United States over the next 4 years. This unprecedented commitment signals Apple's unwavering confidence in the future of American innovation. It also underscores the company's deep-rooted connection to its home country. This massive investment will touch various sectors of the American economy. It will create thousands of jobs and foster innovation across multiple industries. From advanced manufacturing to artificial intelligence, Apple's investment will have a ripple effect throughout the nation. This is not just about corporate responsibility. It is about a shared future where technology and innovation drive progress and prosperity for all Americans. Apple's commitment is a powerful testament to the enduring strength and potential of the American spirit. Apple's $500 billion investment is more than just a financial commitment. It's a bold statement of intent and vision for the future. It represents a strategic move to strengthen American manufacturing, research, and development. By investing heavily in these areas, Apple is not only looking to enhance its own capabilities, but also to uplift the broader technological landscape of the country. This investment aims to solidify Apple's position as a global technology leader, while contributing to the revitalization of key sectors of the U.S. economy. The ripple effects of such a massive financial injection are expected to be felt far and wide. The size and scope of this investment are significant. It is a testament to Apple's confidence in the potential for growth and innovation within the United States. It dwarfs previous corporate pledges and sends a strong signal to the global tech community. This move is not just about numbers, it's about setting a precedent and leading by example. Apple is betting big on America, and this decision is poised to have far-reaching consequences for years to come. The company's commitment is expected to inspire other tech giants to follow suit. This investment will create a ripple effect throughout the economy. From urban centers to rural areas, the benefits will be widespread. It will not only generate direct employment opportunities, but also foster the growth of supplier networks and related industries. This interconnected growth will help build a more resilient and dynamic economic ecosystem. This, in turn, will lead to increased economic activity and prosperity across the nation. The positive impact on local communities and small businesses will be substantial. Apple's investment is a vote of confidence in the American workforce. It underscores the company's belief in the skills, dedication, and potential of American workers. It recognizes the talent, innovation, and potential that reside within the United States. By nurturing this talent, Apple aims to drive forward the next wave of technological advancements. This move is set to create a brighter future for countless Americans while bolstering the nation's standing as a global technology powerhouse. The long-term benefits of this investment will be felt for generations to come. A significant portion of Apple's $500 billion investment will be directed towards building a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in Houston, Texas. This ambitious project is part of Apple's broader strategy to enhance its technological infrastructure and capabilities. This facility, spanning an impressive 250,000 square feet, will focus on producing servers for Apple Intelligence, the company's advanced AI system. These servers are crucial for processing the vast amounts of data required for AI operations, ensuring that Apple remains at the forefront of technological innovation. This new Houston plant is expected to create thousands of high-paying jobs in the region. The influx of employment opportunities will not only benefit individuals, but also stimulate the local economy, fostering growth and development in the community. These jobs will range from skilled manufacturing roles to engineering and management positions. This diverse range of opportunities will attract talent from various fields, contributing to a dynamic and innovative workforce. This influx of employment opportunities will provide a significant boost to the local economy. Local businesses are expected to thrive as new employees settle in the area, increasing demand for goods and services. Previously, Apple manufactured these servers overseas. This shift to domestic production marks a significant change in Apple's manufacturing strategy, aiming to reduce dependency on international supply chains. The decision to build this facility in the United States underscores Apple's commitment to bringing high-tech manufacturing back to its shores. This move aligns with broader national interests in strengthening domestic manufacturing capabilities. This move will not only create jobs but also bolster the domestic supply chain for critical technologies. By localizing production, Apple can ensure a more resilient and responsive supply chain, better equipped to handle global uncertainties. The Houston facility represents a strategic move to enhance Apple's AI capabilities. By having a dedicated facility for server production, Apple can accelerate its AI research and development, pushing the boundaries of what is possible with artificial intelligence. By producing these servers domestically, Apple can maintain tighter control over its supply chain, ensuring the highest quality and security for its AI infrastructure. This level of control is essential for maintaining the integrity and performance of Apple's AI systems. This is crucial as Apple continues to integrate AI across its product line and expand its presence in the growing AI market. The new facility will play a pivotal role in supporting Apple's long-term vision for AI, driving innovation and setting new standards in the industry. Recognizing the importance of fostering innovation across the manufacturing sector, Apple has taken a significant step forward. Apple has also announced a substantial increase in its Advanced Manufacturing Fund, a move that underscores its commitment to driving technological advancements. This fund, initially established at $5 billion, was designed to support the development of cutting-edge manufacturing technologies. Now Apple is doubling this investment to a staggering $10 billion, reflecting its confidence in the potential of these technologies to revolutionize the industry. This expanded fund will be used to provide financial support to companies at the forefront of advanced manufacturing technologies. These technologies include robotics, 3D printing, artificial intelligence, and other innovations that are set to redefine manufacturing processes. These cutting-edge advancements are not just incremental improvements, they are transformative changes that are reshaping the manufacturing landscape. A significant portion of this fund will be directed towards a multi-billion-dollar investment in TSMC's Arizona chip plant, a critical project for both companies. TSMC, the world's largest contract chip manufacturer, plays a crucial role in Apple's supply chain, providing the advanced chips that power Apple's innovative products. This partnership is vital for Apple, ensuring that it has access to the latest chip manufacturing technologies and can continue to lead in product innovation. This investment will secure Apple's access to the latest chip manufacturing technologies, which are essential for maintaining its competitive edge in the market. By investing in advanced manufacturing technologies, Apple is not only securing its future but also paving the way for broader industry advancements. Apple aims to create a more resilient and innovative manufacturing ecosystem in the United States, fostering growth and stability in the sector. This will not only benefit Apple but also strengthen the competitiveness of American manufacturing on a global scale, ensuring that the U.S. remains a leader in the industry. The Advanced Manufacturing Fund is a testament to Apple's long-term vision and strategic planning, highlighting its dedication to future growth and innovation. This initiative underscores Apple's commitment to supporting the industries that are crucial to its success, fostering strong partnerships and collaborative growth. This investment will drive innovation, create jobs, and stimulate economic growth, providing new opportunities for workers and businesses alike. Through these efforts, Apple is ensuring that the United States remains at the forefront of the global manufacturing industry, leading the way in technological advancements and industrial innovation. Apple is launching a new initiative called the Apple Manufacturing Academy. This program is designed to provide advanced training and development for employees in the manufacturing sector. The goal is to ensure that workers have the skills they need to succeed in a rapidly evolving industry. By investing in their workforce, Apple aims to create a more sustainable and innovative manufacturing process. This initiative is part of Apple's broader commitment to supporting local communities and fostering economic growth. The Apple Manufacturing Academy will offer a range of courses and workshops, covering topics from precision machining to advanced robotics. With this program, Apple hopes to empower its employees and set a new standard for manufacturing excellence. Now let's delve into the cornerstones of Apple's future. These are the key areas where Apple plans to invest and innovate. It's all about creating a more connected, efficient, and sustainable world. Apple is focusing on cutting-edge technology, unparalleled user experience, and a commitment to privacy and security. These pillars will guide the company's growth and ensure it remains at the forefront of the tech industry. Sustainability is at the heart of Apple's mission. The company is dedicated to reducing its environmental footprint and leading the way in green innovation. Apple aims to achieve carbon neutrality across its entire supply chain by 2030. This includes using recycled materials, renewable energy, and designing products that last longer. Through these efforts, Apple is not only protecting the planet, but also setting new standards for the industry. Education is another key area where Apple is making significant investments. The company is committed to empowering the next generation of innovators and leaders. Through various initiatives and grants, Apple is providing schools and educators with the tools they need to inspire students. From coding programs to creative workshops, Apple is helping to bridge the digital divide and ensure that all students have access to quality education. Finally, Apple is playing a crucial role in securing America's technological edge. By investing in research and development, Apple is driving innovation and maintaining the country's leadership in the tech sector. This includes advancements in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and other cutting-edge technologies. Apple's efforts are not just about creating new products, but also about fostering a culture of innovation that will benefit the entire tech ecosystem.